Hello dear students and welcome to a new video explanation. This time we're going to be talking about complaint letters corresponding to level 3 class 9. So let's see what are the objectives for this worksheet. First, you are going to recognize the parts of a complaint letter and you're going to identify specific and general information from a complaint letter. What is a complaint letter? A letter of complaint, or also called complaint letter, is written to express an unsatisfactory customer experience. Situations where customers usually write complaint letters. Let's see some examples. Example, you bought a product on AliExpress and it didn't arrive the expected day. So in this case, you could write a complaint letter. Another example could be you ordered food in a restaurant and the waiter was so rude at you. Or you bought a smart TV in Ripley, but the remote control isn't working properly. So all those cases are perfect to write a complaint letter. Now let's go with your worksheet. In the first exercise, the instruction says, which of these words is not a synonym of complaint? I want you to circle it. So to do this exercise, you can use a dictionary. We have 3 of these words which are synonym, and one of them is not a synonym of the word complaint. So I want you to circle the one that is not a synonym. In the second exercise, we have different parts of a complaint letter. What I want you to do is to classify the following vocabulary and expressions that you can use in a complaint letter. You are going to classify them between salutation, describe a situation or a problem, or ending of a letter of complaint. Okay, as you can see, we have some dots there, so you can write them there. For salutation, we have 1. For describing a situation, we have 5. And for the ending, we have 3 expressions or 3 phrases. So you only have to classify them. In the next exercise, we have a complaint letter. And as you can see, there are some missing parts there. And on the other side, we have different parts. For example, it says yours faithfully, Mark Brown, Lee Electronics, etc., etc. What I want you to do is to tell me where do these parts go on the letter. So you have to write the number in the corresponding phrase. For example, if you think that yours faithfully should go at the beginning, you need to write number 4 or number 3 before the word yours faithfully. Okay? So that's what you have to do. You write the number before yours faithfully, Mark Brown, Lee Electronics, etc., etc., depending on the part of the letter. The next exercise is about the same letter, but now this time I want you to comprehend the letter. So can you tell me in which paragraph A to C does Mark describe what happened in the phone? In paragraph A, B, or C? That's why it has letters there. In which paragraph say what he wants the company to do? And in which paragraph explain why he is writing the letter? So it's just for you to recognize all the parts. The next exercise says, answer the questions about the text. In this case, you have 5 points. So you have to tell me what is the full name of the person who wrote the letter. What thing or item is he complaining about? When did he buy this thing? What is the problem with it? And what does the customer ask the company to do? And finally, as usual, we have the idiom of the day. This time, I want you to look for draw the line. What is draw the line? So, look at the image and choose the correct definition of the idiom. If you see the image that says draw the line, look at the image and then you have to circle what is the correct definition for that idiom. You can look on the internet for this too. And then read 3 situations and choose the one where the worker should draw the line. So you select the correct alternative. Well, that's all for today. I hope that it's helpful for you, and remember that if you have any question, you can contact your teacher. Thank you very much and take care. Goodbye.